In this video, I will show you how you can enable or disable dark mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Display. Under the Display settings, you will find the option to enable or disable dark mode. As you can see, currently our smartphone is on light mode, but to enable dark mode, just select dark. And as you can see, we have successfully enabled dark mode on our Samsung phone. Just like that. Now if we go back to display settings, now as you can see, if I tap on dark mode settings, we will find the option to turn on as schedule to enable or disable dark mode on our Samsung phone. For an example, if you want to use dark mode at nighttime, just enable this toggle and select sunset to sunrise. Now if you select sunset to sunrise, dark mode will be automatically enabled on your Samsung phone after sunset, and it will be automatically disabled after sunrise. But if you want to set a custom time duration, just select custom schedule and set the start time for dark mode over here. And after that, just tap on end and set the end time for dark mode over here. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.